Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's recipe is watermelon ka halwa. So let's start the recipe. So I have taken 6 watermelon rind for this recipe and gonna peel like this. Then chopped them to small pieces. So the benefit of consuming this halwa is it breaks down kidney stone, helps in weight loss. It is also good for your eyes. It helps in regulating blood pressure, can treat urinary tract infection too. And now I'm gonna grind it to a smooth paste. Add 2 spoons of ghee, one spoon of semolina. Mix well in medium flame. 1 spoon of gram flour. 1 cup of grinded rind paste. Mix well for 10 minutes and add the another 1 cup of grinded rind paste. So with that I'm adding 1 spoon of edible food color, which is optional. Then taking 1 cup of jaggery, half spoon of cardamom powder, 1 cup of milk, 1 spoon of ghee, some dry fruits. Now mix them well for 20 minutes on medium flame until the halwa doesn't stick to your pan or spatula. And yeah, your halwa is ready now. If you guys like this video, then please like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon for instant notification.